Yes.
Well, we often talk about record high temperatures this time of year, but record lows, and I think we're going to break one tonight in Corpus Christi if we dip down to 68 degrees. On average, we should be closer to 75. That's the 30-year average, but the record for tomorrow morning is 70 back in 1976. 68 would break that. So we're talking just the opposite of what we usually do this time of year. Yeah, it is still hot out there, though. We're at our normal high temperature at 94, but look, the feels like is lower than the temperature. That's because of that very low humidity in the area. It's making it feel really good outside. As Sonia mentioned earlier, what a nice day. You could just feel it as you went outside. The humidity low, the dew point only at 53 degrees. And right now, well, it's hot, but we have very dry air over us with lots of sunshine. 88 right now at Rockport, 93 degrees at Kingsville, and those winds have been blowing about 10 to 15 much of the day. They're at 17 miles an hour right now in Corpus Christi, coming in from the northeast. And tonight's forecast lows, well, you can see that we are going to be pretty mild across the whole area. In fact, dropping down to 66 George West, 69 Alice, and 68 Corpus Christi. Just a beautiful night all across the coastal bend with a clear sky. And then tomorrow, it's going to be a lot like today, and we still have the low humidity one more day to get out and enjoy it. Although it is going to be hot in the afternoon, we reach again into those low to mid 90s. If you live inland, we're talking 94 near George West, 93 Corpus Christi, and 87 Port Aransas tomorrow. All in all, pretty good late July day tomorrow. And if you're heading to the beaches, we're looking at 3 to 4 foot waves tomorrow. That water temperature came up. It's at 86 to 87 degrees and a low rip current risk expected tomorrow. So it's quiet across a good chunk of the nation now. That cold front that brought the cooler air and some relief from the heat wave and this line of storms that has pushed off the coast now, although we're still seeing some stormy weather in northern Florida. But most of the nation looking pretty good right now as that dry, cooler air has been filtering in. And for once in our forecast for humidity, we actually have a smiley face there. It's going to stay that way tomorrow. But as we head into Friday and Saturday, the humidity starts to return with the onshore flow, and we're right back into that very humid air by Friday and into the weekend. All right, so as far as rain, we have a chance we could get a little bit of rain Friday morning. In fact, Friday morning into the afternoon. Tomorrow, we're still sunny with low humidity, but as we head into Friday morning, there's an upper wave that's going to slide in from the northeast, and Future Tracker here at 4 in the morning puts a couple of showers right along the coastline early in the day Friday, and then pushes those inland as we head into the afternoon. So we'll see the humidity returning and a chance we'll get a spot shower or thunderstorm Friday. And the weekend, it's much of the same too. I did leave that chance that we could see a shower or a thunderstorm each day, both Saturday and Sunday. Nothing too widespread. You still have lots of time to get outdoors and enjoy this weekend. The rain chances are very low and temperatures are going to climb. And we're talking about the heat index again. Yeah, it does come up by Sunday. 102 to 106 is what it's going to feel like with that humidity. Here is your 7-day forecast, and it is brought to you by AutoNation's Super Zero event. Get new cars and trucks with absolutely zero do-it signing. Visit AutoNation.com. So over the next few days, those temperatures hover in those lower to mid-90s farther inland. As we look at the weekend, though, we see the humidity climbing, that chance of rain each day, and the wind's going to pick up. Not only that, but our mild nights, well, they're going to start warming back up. In fact, by Sunday night, our morning low is at 79.